Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to remove contact information from our lock screen in Samsung Galaxy S22. Right now, when we have our lock screen, we have our contact information at the bottom, John and a phone number. How to remove it or how to change it? We need to go to Settings, then in the lock screen menu, we have our lock screen right here. We can customize it a bit, but we want to change our, for example, number, done, or simply remove it, and this information will be gone from our lock screen. So done, and let's see how it looks like. And it's clean, no information is visible. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.